Hello everybody, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to ExcelProp Marketing Services. After a long time, we have got another chance to come to Godrej and to explain you about the units which they have for sale. So however, we are looking out a 2 BHK. This is a washroom. This is bedroom number 1 with 10 by 10 size. Then we have a living area with dining and balcony to it. Well, firstly, there are customers who are waiting for 3 BHK. Let me tell you, everything sold out in 3 BHK. Nothing is there. So here we have the sample apartments getting ready for the future phase. Then, so this is the kitchen and utility to it. A master bedroom we are entering. We have a 10 by 11 size. Master bedroom with attached washroom to it. Well, all 2 rooms will have attached washroom here. Apart from that, now let's talk about the availability. Well, the model house which we are looking at is 904 square feet, but the actual units which are available for sale in 2 BHK in Godrej Ananda phase 1 is of 995 square feet, 995 square feet, 2 BHK with 2 balcony. 2 BHK with one balcony, 2 washroom to it. Yeah, people should not get confused, so please don't take me wrong. It's 2 BHK, proper 2 BHK, little larger square feet. The living area will be little larger. Well, however, their washroom will be separate. One washroom will be separate, common, not attached to it. It's available on the lower floor. I mean below second floor. Let's say mainly ground floor. Alright, so if you're interested and if you're watching our video for first time, firstly subscribe to our channel, and if you're interested to buy, then don't forget to call us. We'll try to get you good price for the unit whatever they have, and based on whenever you based on how soon you're planning to finalize. So if you want to explore and want to visit the site, don't forget to call us. In 3 BHK small, we will keep you posted if there is any update from builder. That's it from our side, everybody. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.